Hello. Procreate and use inside of Procreate SVG vector outlines. Okay, I demonstrate it. This is a DIN A4 canvas, and this is a SVG file. And the best thing on this is when I turn off the arrow to adjust it, and I turn it on, nothing is cut off. And this is another example. You can scale it, and it's vector. And you can adjust these pictures, and yes, I use this SVGs where multiple pictures are on this, and to use it because I can raster it and trim the rest off, because it yes, it's easier to use multiple pictures on one SVG. Okay, this is what it does, and I show you how it works. You need pictures. You can find here such PNG files or SVG files, or you can create your own. And I transform it with a Adobe Capture app. You can find it on the App Store, it's free. And you can use other SVG or vector apps to transform your outlines to a SVG file. Okay, and you store your SVG files in a folder. For example, these are SVG files, very small, Halloween, and so on, and store it here. Yes, this is like it looks like. Okay, and the next thing is you need a web application. It's called iCommune. The link is in the description below. It's free. You don't have to sign in. And okay, and press on the import icon. Select your SVG files. I selected now this one, and you can select another one. That's on this wasn't correct. Yes, female reference pose. Okay, then go on the select file button and choose your icons, and now you can go to generate font, and in the preferences you can here rename your font, for example Halloween. I hope it works. And here are the two SVG files. Go on it and give it a Buchstaben, a letter on your keyboard, and okay. And then you can, on the right side down, there's a download button. Download this Halloween zip file, load it, download it, and now you can go to your downloads folder, Halloween zip file, unzip it. I delete the zip file. And I delete also this. And now go to the Procreate app. I delete the layers. Come on. And now add a text. And go to the text settings, and now search your, now you have to import first come on. You have to import your font, the Halloween font. And now look at here, Halloween font on the left side. You can select it and press now the keyboard, and the letters you used, A and S, now you can zoom in, and you got your SVG inside of Procreate. And so you can create your own sets, Dickbat fonts, and use the SVGs for Halloween. For example, you need this skull, and duplicate the one and raster it, and now you can duplicate it, and you've got a nice clean, now it's no more a vector, it's rastered, and it's a pixel art now, but it's very useful. I show you, this is no, it's rastered. I delete this and this, and when you use this, this is the vector, and you can use the vector also as a reference. No. You can drag and drop, and the reference works also on the vector. Okay, that's it. Have fun with Procreate. Ciao.